JDU candidate of Kshetrigao AC Wanglembam Rojit was shot by some unknown armed person today at around 1:30 a.m. Wanglembam Sushila Devi, 56, wife of late Hemanta Singh of Porompat Thawantaba Laikai, reported to OC Porompat police station stating that at about 11:30 p.m. his nephew, namely Wanglembam Rojit Singh, alias Bullet, age about 42 years, son of late W. Basanta Singh of Porompat Thawantaba Laikai, candidate of JDU, Kshetrigao Assembly constituency, was shot by some unknown armed person at Naharup Makhapad while he was meeting Samaira Paibi in and around Naharup areas in connection with the upcoming 12th Assembly election 2022. As a result of which he has received bullet injury on his right side chest and he was evaluated to Raj Medicity Hospital for medical treatment. Accordingly, a regular case was registered. The investigation is going on.